Hi, what's up guys, and welcome back to Solar Garage. Sorry if I sound sick. I'm getting over a cold. But today we are back with Project Adam, and we're going to be unboxing and installing a carbon fiber windshield cowl for from Special Carbon Fiber. I know you guys might think, why are you installing a carbon fiber windshield cowl on a piece of shit Honda? Honestly, I don't fucking know. But we're gonna do it. So here we have the box. We're gonna open it, see how it looks, and then throw it on. Alright, so here we have her out the box. Looking really clean. This is my first purchase from Special Carbon Fiber. They make a lot of products actually. There she is. Alright, so the main reason I decided to upgrade it at all is because a while back a piece of a branch fell off and broke this. Luckily nothing else was damaged, and so I decided to say, fuck it, it's broken, we might as well get something a whole lot better. Now as far as removing it, it should just be these clips right here, these other clips here, which I have bought since I'm missing quite a few of them. This little seal right here, and then removing the windshield wipers. So shouldn't be too hard. Alright, so both of the windshield wipers have been removed. Everything else is pretty much loose. Should just be able to slide it out and take care of this. Alright, so here we have the old cowl out. See the big old chunk that had been taken out. So it is going to be a whole lot easier to take these clips out and put them back on before we install the new one on. So let's go ahead and take that off and then put it on the new one. Alright, so right off the bat we have found an issue. There's actually nowhere to put this seal on this new one, so it should go right along here, which starts here, and all across here, down towards the bottom. Hopefully it doesn't cause a problem, but we'll see. So I did buy these clips right here from Honda. Here's the number for it. I think they were like 48 bucks, something like that. But most of these are worn, and I've always hated these plastic clips. They just don't always come out right, so went ahead and just bought them. Alright, so we have her on, and honestly I'm kind of disappointed. So first off, these clips over here were a little hard to push in, and then down here, these other clips don't seem to be pushing down very well. I mean, there's a lot of give there, and then there's a slight gap here, and then this hole is supposed to line up with this, but I don't think it's going to. if we come on this side, there is a lot of gap going on. So I'm probably gonna end up ordering an OEM one, which kind of sucks because I mean it looks good and everything, but as far as fitment, it just doesn't work. I mean, there's a big old gap here. There's especially a gap here, especially around the middle part. Yeah, just kind of sucks. Especially, I think it was like 400 bucks, maybe something like that. Yeah, just kind of like disappointed. All right, so that is it for today. Again, yeah, it just sucks that the fitment isn't perfect, or just tighter at least. Yeah, just, I don't even know what to say. Just kind of sucks, especially for paying that much. But hopefully you guys at least learn not to buy this. Just something quick, simple, but obviously not worth the price. So until next time, hope you guys are staying safe. I have been forgetting the motto, so keep fucking going, and I will see you guys on the next one.